This Dalema 20x20x33 waterproof fridge cover acts like a sturdy suit of armor for your outdoor fridge. It is crafted from 600D heavy-duty Oxford fabric. This material is 100% waterproof, so rain or splashes won't harm your appliance. It's like a raincoat, but for your fridge, keeping the chill inside and the wet outside. You can think of it as a reliable policy against the elements, ensuring your entrees stay perfectly chilled. The Dalema 20x20x33 waterproof fridge cover has a smart design. The front panel can be easily rolled up and secured with zippers. This feature is handy because you can access your fridge without fully removing the cover. It's like having a window to your chilled goods. Plus, there are adjustable straps and an elastic hem. These ensure a snug and secure fit, almost as if the cover was custom made. It won't easily blow away like a loose bill in the wind. Overall, the Dalema 20x20x33 waterproof fridge cover seems like a worthwhile investment. It offers great protection and convenience for outdoor refrigerators. While I don't have daughters who might spill things outside, I can see how this would be useful for families. It's not going to turn your old fridge into a fancy new appliance with ranges of features, but it will certainly help it last longer by shielding it from the weather. It does its job without any exaggeration, simply providing reliable outdoor protection. Pros: heavy-duty material, 100% waterproof, upright freezer cover, outside stand-up, front can roll up, easy front access, with zippers, black color, specific dimensions, protects from elements. Cons: sizing may be inaccurate, not clearly waterproof, ties may not cinch, cord defect possible. Drawstring sewn wrong, may blow off if not anchored, attracts bugs and debris, needs daily emptying. Some reviews unreliable, fit issues reported. Features: outdoor use, refrigerator cover, 600D heavy-duty 100% waterproof, upright freezer cover. Outside stand-up, front rolls up, zippered front, black color. This is a black cover for an outdoor stand-up fridge. It is made of strong material that is waterproof. The front part has zippers so you can roll it up. It measures 20 inches wide, 20 inches deep, and 33 inches high. This cover helps protect your outside fridge. This black Dalema outdoor refrigerator cover is made of strong, waterproof material to protect your upright freezer from outside elements. It has zippers in the front so you can easily roll it up to get inside. It comes in a specific size: 20 inches wide by 20 inches deep by 33 inches high. However, some people have found that the size might not be exactly right, and it may not be completely waterproof. The ties might not tighten well, and there could be problems with the cord or how the drawstring is sewn. If it's not held down, it might blow away, and it could attract bugs and leaves, needing to be emptied sometimes. Also, some reviews about it might not be totally reliable, and some buyers had issues with how it fit.